In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is one of our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use us in the future. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.